Hello guys, have a good day to everyone. Ayan, magluluto tayo ng ating recipe, the grilled eggplant with potato dish. Ayan, please watch my YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching mga besh.